In the fading shadows of the medieval world, a man, Marco Polo, embarked on an epic journey that would leave indelible marks on history. Born in Venice, a city of opulence and ambition, Marco was the son of a wealthy merchant family, his destiny awaiting him in the vast expanse of the unknown. In the year 1271, a knight from the court of Kublai Khan, Rustichello of Pisa, approached the Polo family with an extraordinary offer. The Mongol ruler, seeking to showcase his empire's grandeur, desired a detailed account of the lands beyond the Silk Road, and Rustichello needed a capable traveler to recount the tales. Marco, his father and his uncle, Niccolò and Maffeo, accepted the offer. Their journey began amidst fanfare and anticipation, a thrilling adventure that would take them far from the familiar comforts of Venice. The Polos traversed treacherous mountain passes, braved the scorching deserts, and navigated the bustling cities of the Middle East. Their path was fraught with danger, as they faced bandits, harsh weather, and the ever-present threat of illness. Yet, their determination never wavered. After a long and arduous journey, the Polos finally reached the court of Kublai Khan in 1275. The Mongol ruler, impressed by their tales, granted them a warm welcome. Marco, having proven his worth, became a trusted advisor to the Khan, providing valuable insights into the politics and cultures of the lands he had explored. During his time at the court, Marco shared stories of China's wonders with Rustichello. They penned down accounts of the Great Wall, the Forbidden City, and the vast, fertile plains of the Yangtze River. These tales, later compiled into the Travels of Marco Polo, served as a window to the mysterious East for countless Europeans, sparking a renewed interest in exploration and trade. Marco Polo's journey to China in 1271 was not merely an adventure, but a bridge between the East and the West. His account of the Far East introduced Europe to the wonders of the Orient, paving the way for centuries of cultural exchange and mutual understanding. The legacy of Marco Polo continues to resonate, a testament to the power of curiosity and the indomitable human spirit.